Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be opening this Pokemon pack that I got for £20. Let me just why is this one easy? Got it. Time to open it. Don't need that. Vein it. Got a nice card. Really nice. Okay. Wait, what's the offer card? Oh. Sorry, I forgot. Wait. We got that. And we got the normal version. Okay, so we got 4 booster packs. Right, so this is the first one. Oh, what? So yeah, this one is a bit fast today. Wait. These Pokemon packs are always like this and almost impossible to open it. Okay. Right. Get out. Just get out. Okay, we're good. Right. Put that away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna put that Pokemon. Wait. Here. Here. Where can the whatever that is, trainer, Pokemon, and I forgot what these are called. Okay, next pack. I'll try to be fast. Well, that was easy. Yeah. Professor. Wait, look, we got, you know, wait, where's that card? Where did it go? Wait, yeah, you know this, right? That has the same name, but this is the EX, so that's the same thing, but I think this is a different version. So yeah, I'm gonna put them by each other. We got this. We got a fire energy. Pokemon. Area. Next pack. Okay, why are these so slow? Like they're too hard. Oh. And the camera fell. Okay. you saw last pack. Why does it keep falling? Well, I am on a couch, so I don't blame it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Pokemon, Trainer, Pokemon, 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 Pokemon. Oh! Wait, what's this? This is an item. I think that's actually worth something. And bye. But before we go away, these are our best things. So obviously this because we got it for, a big card.